Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at XRP here. As always, before we begin, please make sure to like and subscribe, really helps out the channel. And with that being said, let's take a look at the charts. As we can see here with XRP over the past few days, we have had a little bit of a pickup after that back test of that 023 Fibonacci level. Obviously, if we're looking at the daily time frame here for XRP, we zoom out a bit, you can see exactly what's going on. Got my Fibonacci pulled from the high of that previous bull market down to this current low that we are seeing for the bear market. Is this actually fully lined up? Yeah, it's lined up on this exact low here that we have seen so far in this bear market. Obviously seeing a lot of bullish signs, but I'm not totally convinced we're in a bull market just yet. For most coins, that is. Obviously Bitcoin looking very bullish right now, but right now XRP still stuck under its bear market resistance. And really we are just waiting for a bit more confirmation of the upside for XRP, really, aren't we? You can see here really all we've been doing is had this big downtrend that we have for the bear market, came back up here, and then you thought, you know, maybe make another leg lower like this, but obviously we haven't made that leg just yet. Really all we've done is come down and formed a little bit of a range between this level and this level for XRP over the past year. Really, we're getting towards a year now of going sideways, up, down, and then up again, and you can see really we've formed two little areas that I would consider to be a range. We formed our first range here. You can see, you know, the high, the low, retest the low. We've got the breakout here, a bit of consolidation under this resistance, but we did get pulled back inside the previous range. So we backtest the low again. At the low, we come up towards the high here, and we get the breakout of one of these bear market resistances here, which you could see we were stuck under for a little while. We get the breakout, grinding to the downside, and then finally we got that run up back into that upper range again here. Test, retest, and then obviously a roll over to retest support again, forming another range in this area. You can see the low, the high, and the low, like this, and then like this. And now looking like we are getting that bounce that I said. Now that we've got that break back into that previous range, that is what I would be trading. And you can see here I have a long position here that got triggered when we came and touched that 023 Fibonacci level here. You know, it's in confluence basically with the bottom of this kind of range area here, you would say. And now I'm looking to target basically the top of this little range or that resistance there. You can see in a little bit of profit over the past few days, XRP having a little bit of a move to the upside here, and looking like probably we're going to be trickling back up to retest the top of the range here, barring any crazy stuff happening in the market. So that is really it for today, guys. Not that much going on in the crypto markets at the minute, as we well know. You can see here XRP just having a nice little back test after getting a little bit overextended in this area, in the local area, and in my opinion, basically waiting for a move back to the top of the range here before we continue. So that is it for today, guys. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe, it really helps out the channel. You're all absolute legends, and you can become a YouTube member as well if you want to support the channel, get involved in the Discord, etc. And with all that being said, I will see you in the next video.